Hey, what's happening, guys? Pardon my usual lack of polished video. Insert laughter and joke here. And this totally is not the video I was planning on making. But something strange has happened, and I want to share it with you. So, first of all, let me unplug this and show it to you. My idea was to create a video showing the most simple thing you could possibly do with an Arduino. Here we have 4 buttons, 3 lights and a buzzer. Each button corresponds to one of the lights, one corresponds to the buzzer. When you press a button, you get an output, and that's what I'm trying to show. And this is going to be one of my beginner Arduino Foundation series videos. I want to show that this is what everything boils down to. You have an input, the Arduino evaluates the input and does a corresponding output. That is the entire Arduino architecture boiled down to nothing. So my idea was I was going to start with this, with the buttons that turn on LEDs, and then I'm going to slowly replace them with different sensors to show a sensor is nothing more than a button triggered in another way. You get the idea with where I'm going. Okay, next, let me show you the code. Pretty simple. All right, here's the code. I'm not going to spend too long on it because the code is stupid simple and it works. We define the buttons, 2, 3, 4, 5. We define the LEDs, 6, 7, 8, 9. We put variables to store them into an array. We initialize half of them, the LEDs as outputs. We initialize the other half, the buttons as inputs. Then we read the state of the buttons, and we control the LEDs based on whether they're high or low. Like I said, stupid simple. Okay? Let's go back over to the table. Okay, so you've seen the code. Take a good look here. The yellow wires are the inputs. The blue wires are the outputs. So you can see there. You can see where my buttons are attached to one side and the grounds are attached to the other. So, we always have that little lightning bolt thing going through the buttons. There is our ground grounded. These are our outputs. So let me power this up to show you what happens. Now, watch it not happen and watch it work perfectly this time. Nope, there it is. Look. I'm not touching anything. Have I created some sort of RF nonsense in here that is like capacitively, look at this, that is like capacitively coupling me? So I thought, all right, well, maybe it's maybe there's something else going on here. Something's obviously triggering this, right? So what we do, we tap wires, we tap connections. All right, so that one seems to be a problem child. No problem. I'm going to use a white DuPont wire this time, just so we know which one we've changed. Same thing, look. This is so weird. What do you think could be going on? I mean, have I created some sort of RF trap here that is like, I don't know. It's really strange. I'm going to play with it some more because, you know, I'm trying to make this video and whatnot, but I would love to hear what you guys think, what you have to say. What do you think is causing this interesting phenomena? What I've tried so far, like you've seen me do, is, you know, tapping connections. I also swapped out switches. We've done wires. I guess it could be an Arduino. Anyway, I want to know what you think. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Big thanks to all the patrons. Big thanks to you guys for watching. That's it. I'm out. Peace.